It's part of what made the city Manchester of Finland. Not far from here is the old Punikkin brewery. And guess what? Even though the original factory closed, the craft beer scene is still alive thanks to new Punikki brewery. So you could say the neighborhood still keeps that hardworking, creative spirit alive. So next time you are nearby, take a walk down Tiiliruukinkatu. It's short, it's chill, and it's got stories built right into the bricks. See you in the next street story. Don't forget to like and follow me.